If you are a creditor with a debtor who refuses to pay you in Queensland, enforcing a judgment can be an option after you obtain a judgment or money order. However, this process can be challenging to comprehend and execute, so it's essential to collect enough information and do your research before engaging in this process. This article will guide you through the basics of enforcing a judgment and how it can help you get paid by your debtor. Enforcing a judgment occurs when a debtor has been ordered by a court or tribunal to make a payment to their creditor for the debt they owe. If the debt remains unpaid, the creditor can enforce the judgment. However, the process of enforcing a judgment is quite lengthy and may take an extended period to complete. Before enforcing the judgment, the creditor must register it with the court, which may take place in a Queensland court in cases of interstate matters or decisions from QCAT. Once the judgment is registered, the creditor may then proceed to apply for an enforcement warrant, which must take place within 6 years of obtaining the judgment. The court has the discretion to overrule the time limit in matters where a valid reason for doing so is presented by the creditor, and the extension has been applied for. A letter of demand is a document sent to a debtor as a last warning before legal action. It can help greatly with your matter and receiving payment, and may mean that you do not need to enforce any further. If it does not prompt the debtor to pay, it can be used to show the court as evidence that you did all you could to get them to pay their debt to no avail. To start enforcement, you must send a debtor a statement of financial position. If this form is not returned within 14 days, the creditor may then take action to have a court order that the debtor must attend an enforcement hearing. Which court you will use depends on the monetary value of the judgment debt, as each court has jurisdiction. An enforcement hearing is an essential part of enforcing a judgment and can help the creditor gain information and clarity about the debtor's financial affairs, and obtain all relevant documents. If you obtain enough evidence to obtain a warrant, then you can apply to the court for an enforcement warrant. This can be a warrant for seizure and sale of property, redirection of earnings, or payment by installments. Once the creditor obtains an enforcement warrant, they may have the enforcement made by a court bailiff, enforcement officer. With this guide, you now have the basics of enforcing a judgment in Queensland, and you can reach out to debt recovery lawyers on the Sunshine Coast for further assistance. SunshinecoastLawyers.com is a lawyer referral service, not a law firm. Thanks for watching. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel.